Well, he came from Miami, FLA, hitchhiked away across the USA, plucked her eyebrows on the way, shaved her legs, and then he was a she. She said, hey babe, take a walk on the wild side. Said, hey babe, take a walk on the wild side. Candy came from out on the island. In the back room she was everybody's darling, but she never lost her head. Even when she was giving head, she said, hey babe, take a walk on the wild side. I said, hey babe, take a walk on the wild side. Little Joe never once gave it away. Everybody had to pay and pay. A hustle here and a hustle there. New York City is the place where they said, hey babe, take a walk on the wild side. Said, hey babe, take a walk on the wild side. And the colored girls go do 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 do. Sugar Plum Fairy came and hit the streets. Thank you.